Why? There's only %1 of the people are rich. Why only %1? Maybe they get lucky. Well, this is not Thomas Corley's opinion. He studied over 233 millionaires to find out the secrets that will lead anyone to the %1 people. Well, this is what we will cover for today. But first, in this video, we need to highlight that most of the thoughts in the video are from Thomas Corley's book, Rich Habits. And by the way, we did make a video about it, if you are interested. I leave it in the description, but if you want to save time. Here is a summary of him. Thomas Corley, a certified accountant and financial planner and the author of Rich Habits. Tom was kind enough to study 233 millionaires, over a 5-year time window, and sum up his findings for the world. He comments, "From my research, I discovered that daily habits dictate how successful or unsuccessful you will be in life. So with no further ado, let's dive into it." 1. Gambling. There is no such thing as getting rich quick, Corley writes. Financial success takes time, takes initiative, and requires relentless effort. Those who gamble are deluded into thinking there is a shortcut to success. In his study, 52% of poor people gambled on sports at least once a week, and 77% played the lottery every week. Conversely, 84% of rich people did not bet on sports, and 94% did not play the lottery. Self-made millionaires don't pursue any get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, they make a habit of pursuing their dreams and their goals. 2. Eating an unhealthy diet. Poor health habits create detrimental luck, Corley writes. In his study, 69% ate fast food 3 or more times a week. 69% ate candy more than twice a week. Wealthy people value their health, says Corley. In addition to eating healthy, they exercise consistently, sleep 7 or more hours every night, and make a daily habit of flossing. 3. Drinking too much alcohol. While the occasional glass of wine or beer is fine, drinking too much could impede your chances of financial success. 54% of the poor in my study drank more than 2 glasses of beer, wine, or alcohol each day, Corley reports. 84% of the self-made millionaires in my study drank less than that. Drinking too much could affect your memory and ability to think clearly, Corley explains. Plus, it's a lot of extra calories and isn't part of a healthy diet. 4. Hanging out with toxic people. Who you hang out with matters more than you may think. 86% of the rich people in Corley's made a habit of associating with other success-minded individuals. They also make a point to limit their exposure to toxic, negative people, he explains. Conversely, only 4% of the poor in my study associated with success-minded individuals. 96% are associated with negative, toxic individuals. You are only going to succeed in life if you surround yourself with the right type of people. 5. Watching too much TV. 77% of the poor in my study watched more than an hour of TV every day, Corley writes. 67% of the self-made millionaires in my study watched less than an hour of TV every day. The rich would rather be educated than entertained. They replace TV time with reading, thinking, exercising, or any other form of self-education. Making productive use of time is a hallmark of self-made millionaires, Corley says. Wasting time is a hallmark of poor people. 6. Negative thinking. Long-term success is only possible when you have a positive mental outlook, Corley states. The problem for most people is that they're completely unaware of their thoughts. Positive or negative, he explains, if you stop to listen to your thoughts, to be aware of them, you'd find most of them are negative. But you only realize you are having these negative thoughts when you force yourself to be aware of them. Awareness is the key. 7. Procrastinating. Procrastination prevents even the most talented individuals from realizing success in life, Corley writes. This goes hand in hand with author Napoleon Hill's assertion that the wealthiest people are also the most decisive people. Whether you realize it or not, procrastination is a big reason why you are struggling financially in life. It damages your credibility with employers and fellow colleagues at work. It also affects the quality of your work, and this affects the business you or your employer receives from customers, clients, and business relationships. 8. Avoiding feedback. Fear of criticism is the reason we do not seek feedback from others, Corley writes. But feedback is essential to learning what is working and what isn't working. Feedback helps you understand if you are on the right track. Seeking criticism, good or bad, is a crucial element for learning and growth. Additionally, it allows you to change course and experiment with a new career or business. As Corley says, feedback provides you with the information you will need in order to succeed in any venture. 9. Overspending. Spending more than you make is a surefire road to financial stress. 95% of the poor in my study did not save, and most accumulated debt to subsidize their standard of living, Corley reports. Consequently, they have no money for retirement, for their kids' college, or for pursuing opportunities that present themselves. Spending more than you make and putting saving on the back burner creates long-term poverty, with no hope of escape, he writes. 10. Keeping a job you hate. Toiling away at a job you hate will not only leave you stressed out and dissatisfied with life, it could affect your chances at getting rich. The wealthiest, most successful people pursue their passions. Passion trumps education, intelligence, skills, and any other advantage those who lack passion might have in life, Corley emphasizes. Passion makes work fun. Passion gives you the energy, persistence, and focus needed to overcome failures, mistakes, and rejection. It infuses you with a fanatical tenacity that makes it possible to overcome obstacles and pitfalls that block your path. 11. Sticking to your comfort zone. We so desire to blend in, to acclimate to society, to be a part of the herd, that we will do almost anything to avoid standing out in a crowd, Corley writes. Yet, failure to separate yourself from the herd is why most people never achieve success. While the average person finds peace of mind in familiarity and hesitates to leave their comfort zone, rich people find comfort in uncertainty. The pursuit of wealth requires that you take risks. Most don't, and that's why most are not wealthy. And here you have it. The 11 poor habits that will lead you to poverty. Don't forget to share your opinion about these habits. And if you get your own story about the habits, tell us in the comments. And here are some great videos to watch.